Hey everyone, it is Josh Gibbons back with another update. This one is going to be super quick, but the good news is I am back to 4.5 stars. So if you have been following along with my journey, you'll know that around Christmas time, after a 3.4k revenue month, an incredible launch, I got some negative reviews. They kicked me down to 3.5 stars and sent my sales to 0. I got one perhaps, every other day or something. It was inconsistent as hell. And I got it up to 4 stars and it was still inconsistent as hell. My PPC wasn't really converting. The latest update is I spent quite a bit of time. I changed every single photo. I made it look better. I made it clearer. I listed the benefits and the features. I made everything insanely clear. I changed my keywords, my main photo, and I also finally got back up to 4.5 star rating. And since then, literally since the day I was back up to 4.5 stars, I have not missed a day where I haven't had a sale. So the good news is the PPC is starting to convert a lot more better because I'm at 4.5 stars. The bad news is just at the moment it's still pretty low sales, but it's going to help my rank. I have lowered the price a little bit and I might even lower it a bit more and then just go hard on PPC and just sacrifice a bit of money up front because I really need to get the sales volume back up in order to start ranking again. Because obviously since Christmas I've lost my rank on a lot of good keywords, but the good news is, guys, we can get this back. I've got a good rating now. Those stupid bad reviews weren't even about the product, they were about something that I didn't make clear enough. It's so dumb, but we've got it back after all this time finally, and now the PPC is starting to convert. And I'm super happy just because I know that this is possible. Like, if I just keep going, keep tweaking the PPC, making it convert as much as I can, I know I can get this back. So that is the update. I hope you guys have had an amazing week. If you want to learn it, go and grab Johnny Bradley's course through my link. I think he might have actually just raised the price. If not, he's doubling in it. So please get in on the course, and if you get it through my link, we'll have a free consult, and also there'll be some discounts for the branding of your product. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you later.